Hi, everybody. How are you today? So I wanted to jump on here really quickly and talk about this YSL case. Now, this isn't a case that I followed on this channel, but I followed it in real life. I didn't follow it on this channel because I was doing too many other trials, and we all know the Diddy is just all-consuming. The Diddy trial really is. But I wanted to talk about this case today because it's a clear example of how this country needs justice reform. Because at this point, I really do believe our justice system is designed for whoever has the most money. I mean, the more money you got, the less of a chance you have of sitting in jail falsely accused for the rest of your life. These men did absolutely nothing wrong. Fonnie Willis was looking for a victory, so she becomes more and more famous. Let's listen to the judge release the final two defendants, DeMonte Kendrick and Shannon Stillwell.
Mr. Kendrick, you have been found not guilty on all charges. Mr. Stillwell, can you please stand? You have been found guilty on count 64, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and not guilty on every other charge. So, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you are officially released from further service, and I cannot express the degree of thanks that Fulton County owes you for your service. Given the length of this trial, you have paid close attention this entire time, and I appreciate your devotion, as I'm sure do the parties in this case. You are welcome to stay for the sentencing, or you can return to the jury room. I would like to speak with you in just a moment in the jury room. If you all do want to stay, you're welcome to stay. Is there any objection to the form or the legality of this verdict? Any from the defense? All right. All right, is there any reason that we can't go ahead and sentence? You may.
Can you imagine being thrown in prison for the rest of your life on some phony, chumped up charges because you have an overzealous prosecutor? They accuse these men of unaliving people, selling drugs, being ruthless gang members. This was all brought to court because Fonnie Willis wanted to make a name for herself. Young Thug is one of the biggest rappers out here, and she wanted to make a name for herself. So she drug this case out. Now, usually these state cases, they usually last about a week. This was an entire year. And they took manpower from the DA's office. They had to come off of other people's cases to concentrate on this case, which means there are more people just sitting in jail wasting time while they try to make a name for themselves. It also cost millions of dollars. Wasted money. Millions, okay, people? Millions of dollars. The only problem was they didn't know that Young Thug had enough money to outlast, outplay, outsmart. Not only that, Young Thug ended up taking a plea deal to something that everybody else got released on, as in not guilty. Now, he has to be on probation for decades when he didn't do anything wrong. They even tried to use his song lyrics to a song against him. When they seized his house, they took $2 million worth of merchandise that they're not giving back. They claim that's state's property now. $2 million? I'm telling you guys, if Young Thug didn't have the money, all 14 witnesses would have been in jail to this day, falsely accused. I mean, a lot of people want to move to the United States. United States is not what it used to be. It's really turned into a monopoly of criminals, and only the person with the most money wins. But anyway, congratulations, Kendrick and Shannon. At least you got off. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Until next time, bye for now.